Have you ever had problems creating your channel's videos description, tags, and titles? Well, if that's the case, well, you've come to the right video. And today we're going to learn how we can use AI to generate our very own titles, description, and tags. So without further ado, I'm Kritan Shabi from Web Creators, and let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and click on app.vidiq.com generate explore. I'll give the link in the description below if you like. Then you're going to go to generate and give the about what your video is about. So I'm going to just write how to create free logos in Canva, and the last step, just click on generate, and then all you have to do is just sit back and wait for the AI magic to work. As you can see, it has created the top rated keywords, your title, which is very professional, description, and tags. It has even created a thumbnail, but I already created a video on how to create thumbnails from vidiq.com and how to customize them, so you gotta watch that. I'll give the link in the description below too. Then you have hooks, outline, and you can also generate the script. So next, all you have to do is just copy paste and your video is created. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.